Hi, I'm Joan Lok. If you have been following me on my Zen Landscape Workshops, you will know that I'm very particular in the mastery of the texture stroke for different kinds of shun or brushwork for the mountains, and also very particular in the application of gradated wash for the notion of mountain mist and clouds. But in the upcoming workshop, I'm going to do something different. I'm going to talk about Zen Buddhism inspired landscape, mostly applied by a lot of Japanese artists. And because there are so many schools, so instead of collectively calling this workshop on the Zen Buddhism landscape, I'm going to focus on the inspiration by one of my dearest teacher, Tyson Sasaki. Tyson Sasaki is a very famous a master of sumie in Japan, and he have also been instructors and a very good friend of the Sumi Society for many years until his passing, maybe around 10, 15 years ago. And I'll talk a little bit about that in the workshop. But then what I'm going to focus on the workshop is actually Zen Buddhism landscape, particularly in the style of Tyson Sasaki. And as you can see in the some of the sample behind me, we are only going to use ink, different gradation of sumi ink. We are also going to have a lot simpler design. And in our sample painting, of course, we will have various one to choose from, but we'll probably make something very simple, very different from what you have been following me on the sumi landscape. But then I will talk about the compositions, the wisdom behind this, and also because Master Sasaki also applied a variety of techniques, even it's only ink, but then there are a lot of things to see in his mastery artwork. So besides the regular raw rice paper, please also be prepared to have a few pieces of size rice paper because I'm going to show you various things that he would do with the size rice paper on landscape, which is still freehand but then inspired by Zen Buddhism. So hope to see you in this very different Sumie landscape workshop inspired by my very good friend and teacher, Tyson Sasaki. And we'll also talk about his work, so hope to see you in this upcoming workshop of Zen Buddhism landscape inspired by Tyson Sasaki. Thank you.